welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selma. Today I have for you a very simple, messy home daily cleaning routine slash let's decorate fall for autumn and with last year's decorations. Now, I really didn't want to decorate because I always feel so late to do these videos, to be honest with you. But I was like, I love fall. I cannot do fall like that. So I just decorated the kitchen, which it really feels so cozy, just like the weather. So this is me, just what I do in a day, really. Picking stuff up from every room sometimes. But this time I really focus on the kitchen because you guys know how I'm always in the kitchen. Like, it is what it is. And to be honest, my kitchen did need some deep cleaning, which I plan to do before Christmas. I do have a trip planned for Thanksgiving, so I just want to do what I can for the time being. Real life diapers. Sometimes I find two, three at a time. Most of the times, Zion does take it to the trash, and me, I keep telling myself I'm gonna throw in the trash, and I forget. That was the case here. What was I gonna say? Train come back. Train come back. Oh, so, did you already decorate it for fall? I saw this like meme on Instagram where it said happy Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas type. Oh, it was hilarious. I wish I could explain it to you, but it was like, it feels like that. It feels that way when it comes to the holidays. Like, you just either early or too late. So people just do it all at once, not to miss the shot or the opportunity to decorate their home. I'm always late. It's like I have to have the feeling or like the scent of fall to be motivated to even decorate. And since like I didn't purchase anything new for this year, I was like, it's okay, because there's a lot of people that really don't decorate much because, one, they don't want to buy a lot of stuff just for a holiday that lasts less than a month. Or, it's common sense stuff. But I know that a lot of people actually do invest in things each year to buy one item to kind of up their game when it comes to decorating. They get their ideas from Pinterest, from YouTube creators, or just like TikTok, or whatever the case may be, right? And funny enough, when people do find good deals or good items for each season, they end up donating the stuff that they already had, which is awesome because I love going to thrift stores. And most of the things here, like the leaves and stuff like that, it was from the thrift store last year. And you can DIY stuff, it's cheaper that way as well. When it comes to high brand decorating decor, it's just it can be pricey. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather wait when it's on sale or just like skip it altogether. A lot of you guys have been like asking questions, which I don't blame you. I keep doing this to you, keep disappearing from YouTube. I People start to get worried, right? And I totally understand why. It's just I'm catching up with life, with myself, trying to be organized with life, and like my kids are taking my time for sure. The more they are learning, the more they're growing. It's just like they need my attention. And I try to do what I can when I can. I always tell you that, guys, to do that too. And That's where you're going to see clips of me wearing clothes different days. This was not one day or not even in 2 3 days. It was like throughout the week when I remember to record something, or like let me pick up where I left off, and just like, trying to make it work still, because like I still enjoy doing videos and I like chit chatting with you guys. I want to do more lives, to be honest, too, and I want to be more consistent on Instagram, because like, it's just, I like it. I like it. And every time I don't post videos, or it's just so much going on, it's like it makes me feel, well, it used to make me feel guilty, but now it makes me feel like I need it. I need to do a video as like whatever it is, not just cleaning. And because I enjoy the editing, the process, the befores and afters, and I catch myself most of the times just literally cleaning the same things or same routines, and that's when I get discouraged, which is not good. But I get discouraged because it's like they already saw that video, I need something new, I need to spice things up. And as a creator, you just want to, create and bring new ideas. In my case, I like to bring you products like you're gonna see in this video. I want to just grow as a person, continue to grow as a person, continue to grow a relationship with you guys, and still balance my life with my family and within myself. The day finally came when I decided to clean the oven. Now, you guys, I messed up. Okay, I'm gonna tell you off the back. I messed up big time because I was waiting for a day for it to be warm. I know, crazy, because it's fall season, it's starting to get chilly or cold sometimes in the mornings. I want it to be a little bit warm so Coco could be outside, my bird, my cockatiel bird, because I cannot be using this type of products intense him around, or just like it is really harmful for him. So I will have to open the windows in this case. And you guys, I decided to I can't believe my eyes. Like, I hate myself for it in a way, because like I turn on the self-cleaning mode, and then I regretted it instantly, and I turned it off within like 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, let me tell you, it was enough. That thing was hot, and it created more fumes that I wanted to. So yeah, so it came to the opportunity for me to try this new sponge by Scrub Daddy, and honestly, it's really really good. It reminds me of the Target brands, the cocoa fiber type of sponges for the dishes, which I love. Is very gentle and exfoliates, and it doesn't scratch. So if you're looking for something like that, this could work for you, and having two in one box, it's great. um yeah, so we waited with Coco for him to be inside the house at least 2 hours. When I could not tell the smell, I turned on the fans on blast, open the windows. Am I doing this again? No. I think I had to find something else that could work, that is like not toxic like that when it comes to cleaning the oven. Or just stick with Brio pads, to be honest, and scrub my life away. I'm never using the self cleaning mode ever again. Like, you could see the steam, and girl, when I tell you I bought some gloves for this and I didn't wear them because how I was freaking out about it, that just tells you how my head was. Please use gloves when you use this type of chemicals, or when you're just gonna scrub the town away, Um, it's just like it's still like I question myself, like, Selma, you were for real that time, like for real. Like, I regretted it instantly, and then when it comes to like even perfume or like candles, diffusers close to birds, it's just not good for them. And I was so glad to find videos before I did this in a way where like, okay, and then when I finally realized self-cleaning mode was there to not to do, and that's why I turned it off. Like, I was freaking out, y'all. He's fine, everybody's fine, but I'm never doing that again, and I hope you don't. And if you do, great, because like it's a good feature where it heats up the oven enough for you to get the junk out. But honestly, I feel like it's not necessary. Now let's move on. You guys, I was feeling guilty on this day because I was like, I wanted to deep clean before fall, but there's just so much I have to do throughout the days, and I'm trying to get these videos up and just trying to catch up in things and life and whatever, right? You heard this plenty of times, but I was like, it's embarrassing because me, when I used to go really like deep cleaning videos, I literally clean the entire section top to bottom, right? And I was just cleaning the surfaces, right, just to decorate, and I beat myself up for it. I did. But then I was like, you know what, it is what it is. There's still another day to come for me to deep clean, and it's gonna get done. It just has to wait. I just clean like, the cabinets and like the back of the backsplash and stuff. And it made a difference. It did. But at the end of the day, when you clean, you only know what you did and what you didn't do. But when people come over, they're not going to go and look at things, what you did and you did not do. And I felt like every time, I feel like when I guess because I'm doing a video, since you guys do know and see the videos, like, it's like she didn't even deep clean. And it's true, I didn't deep clean. That's why I was like simple cleaning, simple decorating, because it's just, it is what it is. It happens, guys. It happens. Sometimes it takes longer than others, and some people decorate, some people don't. Some people love fall, some people don't. It's just like everybody's different. Everybody has different circumstances, and it's okay. If you want to decorate for fall and leave it until Christmas, it is totally fine. It's like I still leave the Christmas tree until January, sometimes February, if like I just cannot do it. I feel like taking care of yourself mentally, physically should come first above all else. And then everything will be more simpler that way. Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside behind the door. Is this the void I'm searching for? About my cockatiel bird, please guys don't come for me. I'm still learning things about him. We are bonding, trust me, we are bonding. And I'm just trying to find more products that couldn't work and not harm him. So if you guys have suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I am looking forward on buying a cage, but it's gonna be a free open cage where he knows that's his safe place and where he gets to rest, because like I told you guys before, he tries to be a dog these days, and he be like walking around on the house like nothing, okay? And he gets down off his stand whenever he feels like it. And sometimes I'm not even aware of it because he be so sneaky, y'all. He is very smart. He'd be so sneaky, and then he climbs up on me. And then sometimes I'd be stepping on poop because I didn't even realize he pooped, since he'd be walking around for the 5 minutes before he came to me, you know? So I want him to have that safe spot for himself, or like, you know, like how when I do cleaning videos, the dogs are in a different room, just the same for him. Because like, for him to get that rest that he needs, and not having to climb down at night if I'm asleep. If he ever decides to, he still stands on his stand at night. But you know, just like cleaning products that you suggest, let me know, please. Now, I don't know if you guys are sleeping on Everspring products. You guys have to try it, okay? They are very cheap compared to other products. They are not as harmful. Well, they're not harmful, I don't think. They're plant-based, and their materials that they use are like from recyclable plastics and whatever and whatnot, right? So I noticed that they created this sponge cloths that I'm obsessed with since like as long as I can remember. And I love the fact that they are this tan color, because I used to get these bold colors and they all work the same. I absolutely love them because not only you can use it as a rag, but you can use it as a sponge washing your dishes. I took my time on cleaning this island for like for it to shine. I wanted to see the reflection on it, and it I was like, girl, it's been a long time I haven't done this. So I was so glad I did. I did get pissed at my husband because right after it was done, everything was done, as like for him to just enjoy the view, he decided to, you know, mess it up by leaving water everywhere and stuff. You know, marriage, it is what it is. I'm not the only one who lives here. And I just appreciated the kitchen being clean for a minute. And it was worth it. Okay? It was. It was Instagram ready. But yeah. So here I'm going to take my handy dandy sponge cloth that I was just telling you about. It's just like this technology is really like out there when it comes to stuff like the damn dumpster. Oh my goodness, girl. Damn, no, what? Hold on. Don't be cracking up on me. The damped duster. There you go. I got it. So yeah, you guys, this is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you and catch you on my next one. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. I love you guys. Bye.